I would like to request all the guests of honors, please come forward and have your seat. Please, I request all the guests of honors, come forward and have your seat. Ladies and gentlemen, respected all the dignitaries over here and esteemed faculty and my dear little star.
Favorite teacher. Now I am looking forward to give more entertainment tonight. A warm welcome to each and everyone to you to our first annual day and graduation day celebrations.
And before we dive into the program, let me confess one thing. Being a teacher, I am more used to give instructions and asking questions like, have you done your homework? Did your parents check what are you doing at school? But don't worry, today I am not going to ask you any kind of this question. Instead, I will be expecting your smiles and your gestures and full of hearts of encouragement to our little ones who have really done a hard work to make you entertain and impress you tonight. I must say all of you tonight are here looking beautiful and handsome. It's truly a moment, a great privilege and honor for both of us extending a heartfelt welcome to all of you. Today is a day filled of mixed emotions, joy, pride, and nostalgia and excitement. Each one of us have spent a wonderful year gaining knowledge, making friends, overcoming challenges, and creating unforgettable memories.
So let's not keep those memories waiting. Let's make this event a memorable one without any further delay. Thank you all for giving me and my friend this opportunity to address such a wonderful gathering tonight.
A prayer is just not spoken from lips, but from our heart. To begin this beautiful evening, we honored to welcome C. Pullareddy sir, our respected Telugu teacher, to lead us in prayer tonight. Give a huge round of applause for sir. So, let's mind an open heart. Let's start a prayer.
తోరపు బొజ్జయు వామహస్తమున్ మెండుగ మ్రోయు గజ్జలును మెల్లని చూపులు మందహాసమున్ కొండొక గుజ్జు రూపమున కోరిన విద్యలకెల్ల వజ్జవై ఉండెడు పార్వతీ తనయ ఓయి గణాధిప నీకు మృక్యదన్ నిన్ను సేవింపగా ఆపదల్ పొడమని నిత్యోత్సవం బబ్బని జనమాతృండనని మహాత్ముడనని సంసార మోహంబు పైకొనని జ్ఞానము కల్గని గ్రహగతుల్ కుందింపని మేలు వచ్చిన రాని అవి నాకు భూషణములే శ్రీకాళహస్తీశ్వర అమ్మల గన్న అమ్మ ముగురమ్మల మూల పుటమ్మ చాలా పెద్దమ్మ సురారులమ్మ కడుపారడి బుచ్చిన అమ్మ నిన్నులో నమ్మిన వేల్పుటమ్మల మనమ్ముల నుండెడు అమ్మ దుర్గమాయమ్మ కృపాబ్దీచ్యుత మహత్వ కవిత్వ పటుత్వ సంపదల్ పెంపున తల్లివై కలుష బృంద సమాగమముందకుండ రక్షింపను తండ్రివై మెయి వసించు దశేంద్రియ రోగముల్ నివారింపను వెజ్జువై కృప గురించి పరంబు తిరంబుగాగా సత్సంపదలీయని వెగటి దాశరథి కరుణాపయోనిధి.
Thank you so much, sir, for that pin becomes truly special when we have our pillars of support, our dignitaries among us. To warmly welcome them to the stage, I now request my friend Zakira to do the honors.
The nights are sparkling and we'll start the program. Dear guests, your presence on the dais would for over 32 years, including institutions like Vidya Seva, Desha Seva. A man with great vision, he plays a vital role in the smooth functioning of all academic and non-academic activities at the helm. Stage, give a big hand of applause, all of you. It's been a wonderful honor tonight. As a professor at the esteemed School of Architecture and Fine Arts University. Her journey in the field of education is marked by dedication. Serving as a director at Jagati International School by a dynamic leadership continues to raise the bar of excellence. She is none other than our director ma'am, Chandrika ma'am. Please come to the dais. Give a huge round of applause, all of you. Ma'am, you are looking beautiful tonight. One of my most favorite person, a visionary of leader, a true pillar of our community. He is through well-planned metropolitan style and approved gated communities. But beyond his success in his business, he is very compassionate philanthropist through his charitable trust. He has ensured that free water facility should be given to the needy people. A true person and a humanity with a deep-rooted education, he wanted to found his institution with the vision of creating a nurturing space where children can learn freely, grow confidently and lead ethically. And who is none other than our correspondent sir, Nitish Reddy Garu sir. Please give a big hand, all of you. If he is not there, this foundation has never laid down and I cannot see wonderful students. We welcome you sir with a full heart of smile faces. Distinguished personality whose contribution to the banking sector and to the society are truly commendable. With over 35 years of dedicated service in the banking field, he has led a leadership with roles including CEO at DCC Bank and Regional Manager at Syndicate Bank. Carrying forward the noble legacy of his father, Sri Levaku Narapu Reddy, he is also actively involved in social service through the Levaku Charitable Trust, touching countless lives through his compassion and commitment. He is very gentleman. Please put your hands together. A warm welcome to our sir, Levaku Raghunath Reddy. Energy. Welcome none other than G. Subbareddy Garu sir, correspondent of Sri Hari Degree College. Sir has played a chance to give you. It's a great honor to welcome a dedicated leader. Invite the most symbolic gesture of all person, Mr. Gangi Reddy Garu, the esteemed medical Mandal Education Officer at Karpa. Sir, your unwavering commitment to enhancing education standard and fostering academic excellence has significantly impacted our program. Good evening, sir. There will be never end for special people in our heart. I now invite Dr. P. Salome, Professor, the head of the department at PRM College of Pharmacy to the dais. She completed her pharmacy in 2007 with SPP College, and I really glad to call her onto the dais as she has served n number of students in UG and PG student services. Give a huge round of applause, all of you. So now moving forward, it's a start for tonight. Are you all excited? I want that energy. Please, teacher, join me. Are you all excited? Yes, that's the energy I want. And now, the most symbolic gesture of all, lighting. As the lamp is lit, may it brighten every heart here and spark the joy that this day is all about. To come forward and do the ceremony to start the event. Please come forward. I request Lakshmi Reddy Garu sir to come to the dais. Ma'am, please have your seat. Okay. I would request Lakshmi Reddy Garu sir to have onto the dais. It will be an honor if you will come and join us. Sri P. Rajareddy Garu sir to come and do the honor and just make your hearts fill with memories. Sir, please come forward and take the dais. Give a huge round of applause.